Welcome back. Today's vlog is about an outing with our team. The outing event name is called CKB, which is Chai Ke Bahane. So all of us are heading to that event, which is for all the HR team. So yes, here we go. मज़े की बात ये थी कि my manager who's from Singapore, even she was there for this week, so she was also able to join this event with us. This place name is Dave and Buster's. This place is in Kormangla, so they had events, food and everything planned for us. So let's get inside. Enter होने के बाद सबसे पहले we went to the registration desk जहाँ पे सारे LinkedIn employees के लिए they had a handband. तो handband पहनने के बाद we went inside. Let me show you guys this place. It's all about the food and game places, like a lot of games. Let me show you. So this is the name, and the right side that you see, this was booked for all LinkedIn employees, that's us. So we all stayed there, had food. The left hand side you can see some games that we will play in the upcoming video. Without wasting time, I started to enter the place, and वहाँ जाके I see my group of people are already there eating. So I said them hi. जाके उनसे मिली एंड देन मैंने अपना बैग सीट पे रख दिया एंड देन आई थिंक दे स्टार्टेड ईटिंग स्टार्टर से स्टार्ट हो गया था तो इवन आई वेंट इन विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम ग्रैब्ड सम स्टार्टर्स. This was not lunch, but this was starters. So I grabbed some starters and I started to have sitting with my manager because I don't often get I don't often get chance to sit with my manager and have lunch, breakfast or whatever. So I was very happy that she was here. And uske baad we went to play this game.
Oh, we are doing this. What should we do? Oh, virtual. Who's playing? Yeah. Should. Suave. Mari photo. Mr. Bean. Why? Put your own. It's not. मेरा भी डालो. Who do you want? Marilyn Monroe? हाँ कोई भी डाल दो यार. हाँ. Since you're like. ऐसे मत बोलो यार. How do we start? Oh, like that. 1 second, wait. Oh, not bad. Whoa, memes also.
First time I'm playing this game, bro.
Come on, Swati, come on. Oh, outside. Do. Arey, beginners should stand there.
So now it's my turn. This was my first try ever. So somehow I started to play. But maza aaya because it was my first experience. I don't even know the name of this game. But yeah, nice. मुझे मज़ा तो आया ये खेलने. फिर क्या गेम खेलने के बाद थोड़ा सा थक गए. फिर we came here and I grabbed virgin mojito, which is a lime juice. So वो पीने के बाद फिर I see all the teams are playing this game. So we just came to cheer them. सब गेम खेल रहे थे तो I just came towards the other side just to show you guys the whole venue कि कहाँ क्या क्या है. बट ये सारे बच्चों के भी गेम्स थे, बड़े के भी गेम्स थे. बट इतने सारे गेम्स हैं कि इतने शॉर्ट पीरियड में पूरा कवर करना हुआ स्टफ. एंड सम ऑफ द गेम्स वेर लॉक्ड जो कि कार्ड से एक्सेस कर सकती, उसकी अलग मेंबरशिप आती है. तो हमारे वास्ते सिर्फ बॉलिंग एंड डार्ट गेम बुक्ड था तो हमें डार्ट गेम खेले. डार्ट गेम खेलने के बाद आई जस्ट केम हियर टू शो यू गाइज व्हाट गेम्स आर देयर फॉर यू गाइज. इफ़ यू वांट टू विजिट हियर अगैन यू गाइज कैन प्ले दिस. एंड इसके बाद आई केम बैक टू द प्लेस वेयर वी वर सिटिंग to grab some lunch because it's of course a lunch time. Quickly grabbing lunch, it was a buffet, of course, and then we had Thai curry, rice, noodles, and starters as well. Lunch करने के बाद of course the dessert time, we had brownie, we had cheesecake, tiramisu भी था I think, and then jamun. I only had brownie and jamun. इसके बाद next activity थी bowling. So the whole team headed towards the bowling. देखो मुझे छोड़कर ना दोनों selfie ले लेते तो even I joined them for a selfie. तो सेल्फी लेने के बाद वी वेंट टू bowling. ये भी मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस. आई हैव नेवर प्लेड दिस गेम, सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आई लर्न दिस गेम एक्चुअली. सो ये गेम खेलने what you have to do is you have to leave your footwear and then they'll give you socks. You have to wear those socks and then you have to play this game.
Thank you.
सो पूरे प्लेयर्स के नाम यू हैव टू एंटर इन द सिस्टम इन द स्क्रीन एंड देन देखो डिस्प्ले में पूरे प्लेयर्स के नेम्स आती हैं. सो जब जब उन जिसका नाम आता है तब तब दैट प्लेयर हैज़ टू प्ले द गेम. सो नाउ वी स्टार्टेड.
Swati, come on.
इतना बड़ा इवेंट एंड वी कैन नॉट फॉरगेट टू टेक अ ग्रुप पिक्चर. उसके बाद सेल्फीज विद माई टीममेट्स एंड अ मैंडेट पिक्चर विद माई मैनेजर. This was the last activity of the day. It was already 4:30. 4:30 the CKB event ends. So इसके बाद they had arranged cabs for us, office cabs of course. तो basement में जाको cab ले लेको मैं घर को आ गई. Bye.